So I wanted to show you these little cases that were sent to me by this company called, I think it's Lochby, something, whatever. And this one here, I actually have been using. I just went away for a week or so, and I'll be going away again and then again. And they're kind of these cool little cases, right? Keep creating, because you want to keep creating. Don't hesitate to ask, to contact us, hello@lochby.com. Anyways, these they're nice. They're actually very well made cases for sure. And you can kind of put whatever in it. This one here that I got, and I'll put the links down below to where you guys can get it. I use them, of course, for camera and computer stuff, so that when I'm traveling, I can kind of organize what I want in these. So this little one here, it doesn't have a top opening, but it also has a bottom opening, depending on what you want to put in it. So for me, for instance, this one I have a USB-A to USB-C cable. I have an extra 10,000 milliamp little battery that I carry with me. I have a bunch of mints, because you never know when you get somewhere and you're like, wow, my breath smells like ass. You know, it happens, right? I also have a hard drive inside here. Normally I'll carry some extra USB stuff, or different cables, whatever. But I don't know if you guys can see inside there. There's a little mesh thing here with a little Velcro. So for me, I would probably put like SD cards in there. So I could have like on one side with it, I could have like SD cards that are empty. And then when they're full, I put the SD cards in this side. But very, very nice, very nice packaging. The zipper is really good. It's got a little divider in there, which is sweet. So again, you can have stuff on this side and on this side. And then you can close this up. It's got a spot for a strap if you want. Plus it has a strap on that side for carrying it, which is cool. On the bottom, it has another opening, which is here. So I can open this side. And for me, again, I'm carrying, what I was carrying was 2 power bricks in here. So I got 2 fairly big power bricks. But if you didn't want to put power bricks in here, you could open this up and you have access. You'll see these little bands here. So you could put different cables inside here. So you could actually put, 1, 2, was that 1? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cables in the bottom. Have them stretched out so your cables are in there. And that may be what I use this for when I do my next trip, because I am going to be bringing a lot of cables with me for that one, because I got to charge a whole bunch of stuff. I got to be able to charge my helmet. That sounds funny, but I do. Anyways, really, they're very nice. Like I said, they're very well put together. I can throw these ones in here if I so choose. I'll put these both on this side if you wanted. That's what I'm using it for. And then on this side, again, I got my mints. You could have 1, maybe you have 2 hard drives. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You can put whatever you want in there. Nobody's going to judge you. They shouldn't judge you. Will they judge you? I don't know. Maybe they will. But that's how they want to live their life. Anyways, the other one here is this one. And this one, this is the one I actually wanted. I was like, this is the one I want. But they said, hey, we'll send you this one as well so you can take a look. And I was like, yeah, that's cool. It's got this cool little buckle. Yes, good little buckle. So you just kind of slide it off, which I like. I like that kind of style. And this one here, it's like a tool case container, right? So again, you have the ability to put whatever, and it's kind of vented. It's got a silicone pack in there. I'd probably just keep the silicone pack in there so that if it's anything that, this is going to help with moisture, so I would just keep it. But what's cool is, let's say these are cables or whatever, they can be nice and long, and you can put a bunch of cables. So you got the ability to put 4 small ones, 2 big ones, 3 medium-sized ones in there. Plus, they have these little pouches. So again, if you wanted to put some other stuff in there, let's say you have some SSD drives or whatever it is, or you got a knife because for whatever reason you're like, I'm gonna carry a knife with me. Well, put a knife in there, and you have some cables. So you're like, this is a small cable. So the small cable is just gonna go in here. They're just gonna tuck it in. So there's small cable inside there, and I got another cable. Oh, this one's a little on the thicker side. So let's put another one over there because it needs more space, etc., etc. And for some reason, I also have a silly carabiner. Well, that's going to go inside there. And an old watch strap. So also in there. You don't want to put anything too thick because it's got to fold back up, right? But still cool. And then when you're done with it, right, you get it all kind of set in there. Again, the cables can be fairly long. This is going to fold over when it's done. So if the cables stick out for whatever, not crazy long, but you know what I'm saying. You fold those down, right? You kind of just get in here and give this a little fold, see, like so. And then, of course, this, depending on, like, maybe it doesn't close properly. This can extend so you can get it out all the way. And then you just latch this wherever it needs to be latched. Once it's latched, like, did I screw that up? I probably already screwed it up. I'm going the wrong way. That's the issue. Make sure you go the right way. There we go. So then we come in here, right? Come in there. Just get that in where it needs to be, like so. And then all you got to do is just snug that down. Yeah, because I use stuff like this for actual tools on my motorcycle, right? It's like a tool wallet. But this, for like cables or small little things, maybe you have like memory card readers, things like that. Because when I travel, everything goes in a bag, a big bag. And then usually at the end of the day, I have this large bag and it's just a mess of cables and crap inside there and I can't find anything. But now with this, I can be like, okay, so if it's cables, it's in here. When I have to put it away, it goes in here. If it's other crap like SD cards or power adapters or whatever, it goes in this one because this one's bigger. You could even use this as like a shaving bag. Now it's probably an expensive shaving bag, but you could use it as this, right? SD cards, solid state drives, normal drives, they'll fit in here no problem. This stuff, again, a little bit smaller stuff, a little bit flatter stuff. So if you want to, like I said, SD cards, SSDs should fit in there okay. Don't be crazy with them. Definitely cables. That's super awesome. All right, guys, I'm going to put links down below to Lochby's website, and they want you to keep creating, which I'm going to keep doing. Links down below. I think they're pretty cool. I will be using these a lot for my travels and just keep stuff organized here at home. All right, my friends, I'm out. Links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will see you guys next video. Later.